When you want to hire people to a company, what kind of people do you want to hire to a company? Do you just want to hire anybody to a company? Or do you want the best types of talent that comes to your company?
You want the top talent you could possibly get.
So for me, it's the following. What I have a problem with immigration is the following. Kids who are growing up in China, they're growing up in Japan, they're growing up in Germany, they're growing up in Mexico, Brazil. They come to US and they go to a school, Wharton, Harvard, USC, UCLA, pick them, they go to school. They come here for 4 years. They're coming on a student visa. They come here, they get their degree, and then what happens to them? They go back to their countries. Why are we sending them back?
Horrible.
Let me get this straight. You came here, we give you our best training, we give you our best education. Why are we letting you go back? Here's what my system would be. You came here based on good grades, yes? Yes, great. You came here, you paid on your own dime, yes? Or you got scholarship, yes? You complete your 4-year degree with a certain GPA, you automatically get a green card to stay in US. Why am I losing the good talent? I don't want to lose the talent.
Of course.
Sure. By the way, here's another one for you. You're in America. You're an illegal immigrant right now. You broke the law to come in here. You have certain criterias. If you decide to join the military and serve for this nation, that's another way of getting a green card. By the way, I joined the Army without citizenship. I was in the US Army with a green card. I got out June of 99, 21st, and I got my citizenship, just so you know that. I went in the Army with a green card. Last part here, when it comes down to immigration. We have to have a filtering system. I went to Panama, and I was playing poker at Panama. This was a few years back, and I'm having playing poker with a senator. And we're having a great time. These guys, these are money people. If you've never been to Panama, 2% unemployment. They have buildings you've never seen. If you pull up some of the real estate in Panama, type in Panama real estate, Panama skyscrapers, or Panama skyscrapers, right there, just click on it. The stuff you see in Panama, watch this.
Wow.
I've never seen any of this stuff in U.S. You ever seen a building like that in U.S.?
No.
Look at that building right there in Panama. The twisty-turny. You've never seen that. If you click on that guy right there, the one right there, yeah, look at that. I mean, you go to Panama and you're driving around, you're thinking to yourself, click on the other one, the tallest building in Panama, picture right there. Right there. You were just on it. No, the second one, go one more lower. Buddy, right there it says tall. Okay, we're going to work on this with Kai. Kai needs to take a
Guys, you might think that Kai is inept and can't get it together. This is the only thing he's bad at. He's amazing at everything else.
It's Panama City. I'm talking about Panama, which was...
It's the twisty-turny one, bro.
Kai, speaking of immigrants, Kai is our Norwegian superstar, 21 years old.
Right in front of you. I don't understand that. You ever seen a building like that in U.S.?
I will come to America and learn.
He was typing twisty-turny.
By the way, they can't see it here. Just so you know, they cannot see it here. So, okay, they cannot see that.
At home, Google Panama City.
If you go look at the towers and buildings in Panama, it's insane. But we're playing poker one night.
This is not your Vince Vaughn story.
No, this is
that's an amazing story.
That is a great story. So I'm playing poker with the senator, and then I ask everybody around the table, where are you from? Dallas, Texas. I'm sorry? Yeah, I'm from Dallas. Oh, you're here for vacation?
Yeah.
No, I live here. Wait, you live here? I live in Panama. Get out of here.
Expats, yeah.
I said, where are you from? Florida. Why are you in Panama? Vacation? No, I live here. Come on, man. Why are you here? Everybody at the table were all from U.S. that are living in Panama. Hence, if a civil war ever breaks out in U.S., Panama's an option.
Find Pat in Panama.
Why?
Why are they in Panama?
So I asked, why are you here? Why are you here? He says, well, first of all, Panama. Now, you're going to take a different angle. I'm going to give you a different angle. They said unemployment low, good for business, good life. They don't bother you. They're not in your way. And if you can bring $300,000 into Panama, they give you a green card, which you can live here, okay? If you bring $300,000 in Panama, you buy a house or you bring $300,000 put in a bank, guess what? You get to live here. Okay, so what's the point there? I'm sitting there saying to myself, if you want the best, if you and I decide to run a country today, okay, folks in Seattle decided to run a couple blocks called what? Jazz. Okay, that's their country.
It's working out.
It's definitely working out, yeah. So if we decided to run our own country, okay? If we decide to run our own country and you are the president, we are your advisors, what kind of immigrants do you want to attract to your country, Adam?
I want the best, I want the brightest, I want the most talented, and I want the richest.
Oh, he sounds like a bigot. You, buddy, what you just said right there.
Wow.
What you just said, that's offensive. Because you just absolutely violated immigration because you only want the best. That is not fair,
Bro.
Why would you build your country like that?
believe you.
What?
This is a Sean Hannity guy right here.
Bring me your huddled masses. Those yearning to be free.
What was this all about, man?
You only want the best?
Shame on you, what you just said right
best?
Bro, you walked into
maybe
that
I'll
trap.
take away the richest. I'll take away the richest. But I want talented people.
You just got red
That's like
pill.
saying if you're going to start a company, don't you want the smartest,
Are
the
you
brightest,
kidding
the most
me?
educated?
No one's debating with you here. I'm with
You almost trapped me, but I'm not going to fall
What
for
I'm
this trap.
trying to tell you is the fact that what you just said makes sense, but politicians in America are fighting that. They're fighting it. America should have a system where the best of the best of the best in the world want to come to America. And I don't, but we don't have that system right now. So the filtering system needs to have a better criteria.
But can I say something?
If you meet this,
we want the best. Obviously, we want the best, the brightest, the most talented. Clearly, companies want that.
Yes.
But we also need to help people who, like you gave your
you just
example.
changed your position now. No.
No.
Flipped in 2 minutes. Yeah, you did.
No.
What a great politician.
That's right.
He's a great
We also-
John Kerry is in the house. Flip flop. Give him your flip flop, Kai. Where's your flip flop? Can you go grab your flip flop?
I said
got
that's-
a couple flip. Open that
I
up
said
real
that's-
quick. I got a flip flop right there. He needs
I said
flip-flop.
that's what we
Here.
want.
No.
But we're also going to help people.
That's your flip flop.
We're going to also help people
Flip flop,
that
Adam.
we're going to also help people that are struggling. Like you gave the example of the father who came here illegally. Did you not? Mm-hmm. The father who came here illegally is worried about his daughters getting raped.
He did break the law, though.
Okay.
He did break the law.
I'm okay.
If he gets caught, he should get arrested.
Well, yeah. I mean, arrested. Okay.
Yeah, of course. So break the law. Go back home. But
that happens every day.
But I would still do it. Is what I'm trying to tell you.